All right, everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. Today we just have a quick one for a quick Wednesday dish. We have some leftover brisket that we have here, and we are going to make some brisket chili verde the easiest way you know how. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put our Ninja Foodi on saute sear mode, and we're gonna add half of a white onion. And we're gonna add a whole jalapeno. Take the seeds out if you don't want it too hot. I don't really want it that hot, so I took the seeds out. Alright. And while we're sauteing this around, let me remind you to click on that subscribe button, share this, like it, put a comment down below. Alright, so basically this can be done with chuck roast. It can be done with any kind of steak you have, any kind of beef you have. I just happen to have some leftover brisket from the weekend. Smoked brisket. So good. So we're going to go ahead and put that in here. And I'm going to show you how we build this. All right. We had these going for a couple minutes. Now we're going to add a teaspoon of minced garlic. And for all you haters out there, I did not chop my own garlic. I decided that this is the easiest way to do it, and I'm looking for a quick, easy meal, so we're doing it this way. All right. Now we're gonna add just a tad bit of this chipotle pepper, crushed pepper, just a little bit in there. Add a little smokiness that'll accompany the smoked brisket, and then we're gonna add just a couple sprinkles of my homemade seasoning, which I'll put down below, but it has cumin, smoked paprika, salt, pepper, garlic. So now we're going to get this all incorporated, get it nice and sauteed down. You want to do your garlic after you do your onions and jalapenos because you don't want your garlic burnt. Okay, we have all these goodness going in here, and we have it all sauteing together. So let's add our meat in there. Get that stirred around a little bit. My meat's already cooked, so you don't have to do any more real searing on it. You're just kind of warming it through, combining it. But if your meat was not cooked, then you would have to cook this through a little bit more in the sear saute mode. But as it is, I'm good to go on this. So let's add our verde part of the chili verde. So we have some fire roasted diced green chilies we're putting in. Just a small can. And this is my secret to chili verde, this green enchilada sauce. Alright, so it's a 19-ounce can. Alright, just pour it on in. I'm also going to squeeze a lime in there. Alright, get this all stirred up real nice. Okay, we're going to turn off the sear saute feature. We're going to add the pressure cook lid. Make sure it's sealed. Turn it on. Pressure cook. Keep it on high. Go 15 minutes. 15 minutes of pressure cooking will have us sitting where we want to be. Alright. So let's come on back in 15 minutes. Okay, guys, our 15 minutes is up. We're going to let the pressure out and do a quick release. Okay, the pressure's been released. Let's take a look. See how we're doing in there? Alright. What do you guys think? Looks like brisket chili verde to me. Alright, come on back for the taste test. Now we're going to try the fruits of our labor. Get a little of this. Look at that. Got brisket in there. Nice chilies. Got a tortilla right here. What do you guys think? Looks good, right? Let's take a bite. That's a winner, boys and girls. Got some good flavor in there. A little tart. Got a little citrus in there from the lime. A little heat from the chilies. And the chilies. Get that nice smoked brisket in there. Oh, this is delicious, guys. Give this one a shot. Alright? Make sure you share this with all your foodie peoples. And just know that this is so easy to do. Any meat will work. I've done it with pork. I've done it with brisket now. I've done it with tri-tip. Easy it can be. Alright, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. And thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.